Hello and welcome back, Urban Gardeners. Steve LG here, Sustainability Speaking. Today we're going to check out our peas and show you how I planted daisies. Now usually each year I either do a wave petunia with a centerpiece with a geranium, or just petunias or just geraniums. However, this year because of COVID and the limited greenhouse product, I'm planting my garden from seeds. As well, my centerpiece flower basket will be wildflowers. And fortunately in the fall I did pick a couple bulbs of brown daisies. I put them in an envelope and stuck them away for the winter. And I just remembered I had them, and because I was going to go for a walk in the field and hope to find some. But I had some already, so that's good. Now what I already went and did is last night I poured the soil into the pail and sprinkled the seeds. But I haven't given them a shot of water, so I'll do that. So there's the planter. I've already put the soil, and I've used a high-grade soil Pro Mix. That's top of the line. So what I planted are daisies. There's a leaf package. I put a planter upside down. It's empty. So there's a space. Obviously you can see what I've done. Put the soil in. And I've already sprinkled the seeds. You know, I thought of it in after effect. I would have filmed this for you, but videoed this for you, but I didn't think. So anyways, this is ready to go. I'm just going to make a little trough, so if the seeds get moved around, they'll still stay in some kind of pattern. So here's my water. Nice rainfall effect. Rainfall. That's it. Let that soak in. I'm really sorry, this is a very poor video showing you what I'm doing, but okay, so the water's seeping into the ground. You can see from the vermiculite it's not clumping anywhere, so I'm sure the seeds stayed pretty well where they were. You just sprinkle them on top of the soil as nature would do. And there it is. So the advantage to the daisies is it will attract pollinators, and that's something that geraniums don't do. Petunias do, and bees like petunias. So again, since the COVID crisis, greenhouses aren't too accessible unless you want to order from curbside delivery, as it's called. I'm very happy to do a natural planter this year, and so brown daisies it is. That's how it looks. That's where it goes. So let's put it there. Take my camera cap. So this is really high grade soil, like I said. Daisies are used to growing in sand. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe they won't like it. The peas are growing nice. A bunch of other stuff. Fantastic. Oh, here comes somebody. Hey, Peanut. Good morning. Good morning. See the garden? So that's it, no talking in this video. Our work's done. Thank you. Subscribe, tap the bell icon, receive notifications for the next video. We'll see how things are growing. Steve LG. And sustainability speaking.